In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a single color in Davinci Resolve. Whether you're a filmmaker, a video editor, or just someone who loves working with video, mastering this technique can significantly enhance the quality and creativity of your project. So let's dive right in and get started, shall we? First, you'll want to open Davinci Resolve on your computer. If you haven't already downloaded it, head over to the Blackmagic Design website and get the latest version. Once you're all set up, launch the application and ensure it's running smoothly. Now, with Davinci Resolve open, the next step is to work within a project. If you have an existing project you'd like to use, go ahead and select it. Otherwise, feel free to start a new one to practice this technique. Once you've got your project open, focus your attention on the color page. This is where the magic happens, as it is specifically designed for color correction and grading tasks. Upon reaching the color page, find the qualifier tool. This is represented by an eyedropper icon, so it should be relatively easy to spot. The qualifier tool is perfect for color selection because it allows you to isolate specific hues within your footage swiftly. Click on the qualifier tool to activate it. Once it's active, hover over the part of your video where the color you intend to remove appears the most prominent. With the eyedropper, click on that specific color in your footage. This action isolates the color and you'll see it highlighted. After isolation, navigate to the selection range parameters to refine what's been selected. You might want to adjust the hue, saturation and luminance sliders to perfect the color range you're targeting. This is crucial to ensure that only the desired shades are selected, leaving the rest of your image unchanged. With your color nicely isolated, the removal process is straightforward. Apply adjustments such as desaturation to eliminate the color from your selection area. This will visually remove the color from your scene, giving you a targeted and creative result. Additionally, if you need to refine further, explore feathering options or edge adjustments for smoother transitions between altered and untouched areas of your footage. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully removed a single color in Davinci Resolve. Remember, the key to mastering this technique is practice. Keep experimenting with different footage and colors to develop a deeper understanding of how these tools interact with your projects. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial helps you unlock new creative potentials in your video editing journey. Until next time, happy editing!